Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the page you will rotate. This prevents global layout changes. First, save a backup so you can revert if needed. Then, put your cursor at the top of the page to rotate and insert a section break. Next page. Once done, confirm the new section begins on the correct page. Make sure headers and footers are unlinked if they must differ. This preparatory step keeps rotation localized and preserves surrounding pages. Now change orientation for just the isolated section. Go to Layout, choose Orientation, and pick Landscape or Portrait depending on your goal. When prompted, apply the change to this section only. That ensures adjacent sections remain intact. For single-page rotation of specific elements, convert content into text boxes or tables and rotate those objects. This gives precise control without altering margins. Once rotated, check page breaks and adjust spacing so content stays on the intended page. Finish by reviewing the rotated page and the document flow. You should inspect headers and footers, unlink them if they must be unique for this section, and then tweak margins via page setup to ensure no clipping. Once done, update the table of contents or page numbers if used. If the layout looks wrong, try undoing the last steps, revert to your backup, and repeat the section break plus orientation process carefully. This usually resolves stubborn formatting conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.